What's up guys, Viper here, and today I'm bringing you guys this video showing you guys how to wire up your unit. So I took it out because I need to install this bracket because I didn't install it when I put the unit in, so it keeps falling. So I took it out. So I was like, you know what, everybody's asking how do I wire it up. So here's the video guys. It's basically plug and play. Like I said before, it's no rocket science. So I'm just gonna show you guys the most important ones that you need to put, which is the backup camera, which is everything is already labeled guys, so no rocket science. This one says camera, and then the one you're gonna plug in, it says camera video in. You're gonna leave all of these out. This one says video out, or I don't know, this one says CVBS in. Leave this out. You don't need, just leave this loose. Same thing for the red and the green and this white one right here on this side. So for this side, you're gonna plug it in the aux L and aux R with the red and white, which is basically, you know, easy. And the one wire, the OEM that I left out, is this pink one, which is connected together with this clip, and this clip is for the antenna. So basically it goes in this green hole, which is the antenna for the radio. The rest is literally plug and play guys. All of these clips already come with the unit, so you don't need to do anything. You just literally plug into the OEM, connect the wire that's supposed to go there, which is easy, and place in a let me see if I can show you guys. I don't want to like scratch it because it's like loose. Basically plug it in right here where it says the red, the white parts. If it doesn't go in, it doesn't belong there guys. So it's basically, oh my god, it's basically easy. I think I was like holding the mic down. So basically you plug it in on the white part and it's supposed to go in. There's nothing that doesn't go in on this white area. All the wires come with this unit. So it's basically you plug it in and that's it. So you count the pins. This one has 10 pins. This one has 10 pins. You try to fit it. If it fits, that's where it belongs. Same thing for the small ones. This one has what, 8 pins. You look for the 8 pin over there on the bottom, plug it in. Turn on your car before you plug the radio in, so to see if it works guys. After that, you just push everything on this. Don't be scared to push everything in, and that's it. It's literally easy. If you guys have any questions, show me a comment on this video or show me a DM or something, and I'll be sure to help you guys with your problem if you guys are having any problem. So yeah guys, take care, enjoy your weekend. I'm uploading this video on a Sunday, so if you guys watch it on Sunday, enjoy your weekend. Peace out.